In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Perplexity for Finance for effortless stock market research and analysis. This new tool offers an innovative way to delve into stock market data, providing you with valuable insights to make more informed investment decisions. First, let's head on over to your web browser and open Google. Once there, type Perplexity into the search bar. What we're looking for is the Perplexity website, a platform that's been gaining traction for its user-friendly approach to complex data. After hitting search, locate the link to the Perplexity website and give it a click. This will take you to the home page where you can explore all the exciting features Perplexity has to offer. Now that you're on the site, the next step is to enable the finance feature. Look for the option to enable finance. It might be under a settings menu or prominently displayed on the home page. Enabling this feature tailors the platform to cater specifically to financial data and stock market insights, making your research more streamlined. Once the finance feature is enabled, it's time to make a prompt. For this demonstration, let's use Microsoft stock as an example. Go ahead and type this into the search or command field provided by Perplexity. Creating a prompt is essentially like crafting a question or a query you want detailed information on. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to submit it. Look for a button or similar submission method and click it. This will send your inquiry to Perplexity to process. Now, here's where the magic happens. After submitting, you'll be presented with results that are catered to your prompt. This is where Perplexity shines, by delivering data that is easy to digest yet rich in detail. As you sift through this information, you might spot a button or link that invites you to a deep dive on Perplexity Finance. Click on this to uncover more layered insights and analyses. The deep dive feature provides comprehensive details about Microsoft stock, or whatever company you've inquired about. It's a great way to see current trends, historical data, and predictive analytics all in one place. And guess what? It's not just limited to one company. You can explore stocks of other companies too. Simply change your prompt and follow the same steps. And Perplexity will furnish you with fresh, relevant data tailored to your new query. And that's it. A quick yet thorough guide on how to use Perplexity for finance. With this tool, you're equipped to effortlessly navigate stock market research and analysis, making it easier than ever to stay informed and make smarter investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!